Oh wait.
Oh,
We've had a casualty. It's broken.
oh no.
But you know what? They're cooked. They're just... They're...
Look at the thumb.
Hey everyone, it's Tina. Welcome back. I'm here today with Candi from Candi Glam Nails, and today we're doing viral videos, and we will be doing the Sunny Nail video noodle nails. So wish us all luck. Yeah, I did just realise I said sunny nails and not nail sunny. Someone's going to kick my ass over that. Alright, so I've already prepped, refilled, filed and put the colour on as you saw earlier. And I don't even know sort of where to start, but I bought the Maggi 2-minute noodles because we're Australian and I thought like that's the most like Aussie type of noodle I could find. Is there a right kind of noodle to use? I don't know, they made it look so easy. Oh god, this is going everywhere already.
Which is a bad idea. We can separate that.
Sort of?
Yeah. Do you know what's actually, like, you know the home brand 2-minute noodles?
I got one!
Home brand 2-minute noodles separate heaps easier. I know.
That would have been so...
I didn't even think of that.
That would have been so Australian. Oh, I did it! Here we go.
Ah, you too good.
We're halfway there. I got scissors. I don't know if it's like easier with... Oh no. Oh wait. Oh no, I broke. 5 packets of this. So if I fuck up...
We can do it.
Ha! Well, it's gonna be a lot. Oh, they make it look so easy. Alright. Oh, here we go.
I can't eat them anymore.
I'm wasting a lot of noodles. So we need 5. I feel like I've got 5 not too bad pieces. This one's still a little bit...
Although if it's for thumb, I don't know, like, your thumb is bigger, I guess.
We should do like this exact thing with like every single brand of noodles. Just like sit here all day, just like, okay, so the Maggi didn't hold up too well, but the home brand...
What's the most wearable noodles?
The mee goreng's were okay. They took too long to cook. I didn't actually anticipate this step being the hardest part. So this looks so easy. Yeah, so easy. Nail Sonny's sitting there going, oh, it's not so easy, is it?
Yeah. Like amateurs.
Let's just clean up. Would you like some? I feel like there's no way to do this hygienic. Like, what do I do? Do I sanitize the noodles? Do I spray them with an Insta spray?
My hands are a bit sanitized.
Just a teensy amount of acrylic. I actually did this with gel. The actual nails.
Oh yeah.
I thought acrylic might be slightly easier. Alright, just go for it, I guess. This is already sort of looking horrible. It's running everywhere, it's not... I think she used longer nails though.
Yeah, true.
I'm just gonna hold this until it sets. I do find it funny with how many people think these are like serious videos.
I know. They lose their minds. I've had to reassure people that I wasn't going to start offering furry nails as a standard service.
Yeah, someone's like, oh my god, did you see that person who did like hairy nails?
People send me the dick nails all the time. They tag me in them.
I feel like that'd be more wearable though.
Do you know the ones that people lost their minds over the most? The teeth nails.
Oh yes.
I got so many hate comments when I shared it on my page. I was like, settle
really?
down people, it's just teeth. Like, well, it's kind of where acrylic came from in the first place.
Yeah, so it's so fitting.
I thought they were really well done. Like, they're done for viral appeal, but you have to... They're nail architects. Like, you have to appreciate the amount of cleverness it takes
Don't break.
To work out how to structure those sorts of things, how to create them so that they're functional, like to be able to have moving parts in them or things like that.
Don't move the nail. But some of them are incredibly artistic. Like I see some amazing, for example, all the competition style nails.
Oh yeah,
are amazing.
Like the really long ones.
Yeah, the ones with the extreme C curves, the ones that are like extreme, like basically like the razor stiletto sort of nails.
They're incredible. That's architecture, right?
So skilled, but then people shame them and go, "How would you function?" I'm like,
they're not made to be worn every day.
Yeah, you don't function with these nails.
Yeah, they're like, "How would you like your ass?" It's like that's not what they're intended for.
Well, I think if you're that rich to get nails like that, you'd obviously have a servant to do it for you.
I have people to do that for me.
Yeah, just like, well, if I can afford these nails, I can afford to hire someone to do it for me.
Yeah.
I wish you would tell us like how long it took her to do these nails.
How many attempts did they have before they went and nailed it? Like literally, haha, pun intended.
I feel like mine's gonna look like, you know, the Pinterest fails. You're like, this is what I asked her to do, and this is what I got. We need to encapsulate. We're encapsulating noodles. They're looking good. I think they're not. They're not looking good.
It's about as good as noodle nails are going to look, I think. We're pushing the envelope here, folks.
Right. I wonder if this is going to hold long enough to cook them.
I think it will. God, you're making really good time too.
I know. It's only taken me like 3 hours to stick these on.
I know.
It's amazing. The packet said 2 minutes. do, 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 do.
Don't be jealous. You know you want these nails.
So I'm going to try and move the camera. I have hot water, like boiling
out of the kettle.
Alright, so I'm going to move this. Just move your hands up. Oh, I wonder if you can see how steamy that is.
It's boiling straight out the kettle.
Alright. Let's put them in. I do need you to acknowledge that if you burn yourself, you will not sue me.
I promise.
Because I didn't think this.
I am taking this risk of my own volition.
Okay, I've got it on camera. Alright, so it's not long enough. You need to sort of like, oh no, your pinky. It's too close. It's making me nervous. Okay.
Oh, there we go. We're good.
Alright, so I think we can like melt it down and then start swirling.
We'll be fine.
Let's add the seasoning.
And then we'll swirl it around.
This one's chicken. I bought a fork. Let's just add. I didn't have breakfast. It's flopping. Okay. So the packet says 2 minutes.
Now we wait.
Now we wait.
We need some waiting music.
Elevator music. Up. Right. Hey, we did it.
We did.
I don't know why. Or
it was a success.
We've managed to do it. I don't know what we've accomplished, but we've done it. Yeah,
it's something fun to do for our Sunday.
This is. I don't know what to do now.
I know.
What now? Do we eat it? So here it is. It was a success. These very successful, minus this one.
We won't talk about that one. We'll hide that behind that scene. That's a success.
The very, very successful recreation of the Nail Sunny video for the noodle nails. I feel like the rest is really self-explanatory.
Please like and subscribe. It was a success.
Yeah.
We did it. Good job. Good job, you. Now how do we get them off?